Welcome back to another video with the one and only Smart Money. Guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. Let's jump straight to the charts. So let's just have a look at this on higher time frames so we can get a good understanding on the price direction. Okay, so we're obviously in a downtrend, a massive downtrend. We've lost the last higher low at 98k. And you can see since we lost that low, it's just been a straight line down. And now we're getting a bit of a relief rally. How high can this go? I'm looking at this point of control at 96.4. For those of you that are new to the channel, 96.4 is a very important level. It's the point of control from this range that dates back to last year. So back to November last year. It's a very important fixed range pool. Where we have the value area low, where price currently is. We had the value area high at 115k and the point of control at 96k. There is a lot of confluence matching up there. If we look at this VWAP taken from 115.7, so that lower high up here, you can see that it's coming in just above this point of control, as well as we have this 618 golden pocket region. So we have a lot of confluence in this zone. That's why this point of control from this major fixed range pool is quite important. You can see the 618 golden pocket actually matches up with this last higher low for the bull market as well. Our local support to the downside, let's just have a look at a few of these levels that we've got. So there are a fair few levels to the downside where we can be looking to get into longs to potentially catch this movement all the way up to 96, 98k. We're currently at the 786 of this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, well, we're actually at the golden pocket, but we came all the way down to the 786. We had an SFP of the Tuesday low at 89,469, and we're getting a bit of a reaction after this dump, right? We've had a bit of a dump after the FOMC meeting, and now we're just starting to get a bit of a reaction here. So what I'm looking at very locally is we've got the 786 from that Fibonacci retracement that I've just done. We've got a daily level that hasn't been tapped yet. It's a naked daily level. And obviously we've taken a bit of liquidity from the Tuesday low. Okay, now because we've front ran this daily level, I'm thinking that, later on when New York opens, we might come down and do something like this. Okay, so come down, take that initial low, stop out the early longs, hit the daily level, and potentially then come back up and claim that 89,469 level or this 89,372 level, and then get that continuation higher. So I'm looking at this like a bit of a range. I had the range high here at 93.56. You can see we attempted to break up through it, failed, attempted again and failed. And now I'm looking to get to the bottom of this range. If we actually get a sign of strength down here, I will look to get into a long position, and then I'll have both of those positions open with a stop loss above and beneath. And I'll let whichever one wins just ride out. That's the way I like to trade these mini ranges when I see them forming. Other levels that we have further down. Okay, so if we do clear through this zone here, if we lose 89k, then I will be looking. I'll simply take this tool out again, the Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can see we have the golden pocket matching up really nicely with Monday's lows at 87,688. So if we were to come down there and get, like an aggressive SFP or a failed auction of this level, I want to be checking the reaction around here. And also we've got this upward sloping trend line. Okay, so if we were to get the third touch of this trend line with this confluence down here, we could even come down to the weekly naked point of control at 87,280. So we do have a nice zone down here. And then it's just level to level, guys. You can see we have a zone down here as well, these levels that I've got on the chart. And then all the way down to 82k, and then obviously 80,500. I just want to share with you quickly a setup that we got into a few days ago in our Discord community. If we come up and hit this daily and then close back beneath 91.7, this high over here, that could be a nice short to take back down to the value area low as well, because it could be an SFP off the initial touch of the golden pocket, which you do sometimes get. So yeah, they're the two trades locally that I'm looking at. Coming down into this zone first, or coming up and then closing beneath this high at 91.6. That's what I see, guys. That's what I see. That video recording was done just after this red candle right here. In the video, we were talking about front running the daily level, and that price is likely to come up, get the second push into the golden pocket, hit that daily level, and then get a reversal. So that is exactly what happened. We got that volatility up there at the daily level, and then we had a nice drop. So that was a 3% drop to the downside. It was nice to see that some of the members had gotten into this trade and profited as well. Trade setup was provided in the live chat, moving stop loss to break even and going to bed. If you're finding value from these videos, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's really going to help the channel grow. I'm not going to be able to do it without you. Also, check out the links in the description. Our groups are filling up and they're not going to be free forever. And make sure you take advantage of the exclusive deals that we've been getting with different exchanges. We've got lots of sign up bonuses and huge savings on trading fees. So sign up with those links. That's it for this update. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.